Fighting the clock, understanding this English idiom. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, fighting the clock. This is a common idiom that you might hear in everyday conversation, movies, or even in professional settings. Understanding idioms like this is crucial for mastering the English language, as they add color and depth to your communication. So, let's dive in and unpack the meaning behind fighting the clock. The phrase, fighting the clock, refers to a situation where someone is racing against time or trying to accomplish something within a limited time frame. It's often used when there's a sense of urgency, and time is a critical factor. Unlike a physical fight, here the battle is against the passing minutes and hours. This idiom can be applied in various contexts, from sports to daily life to the workplace. The origin of fighting the clock is quite interesting. This phrase has its roots in competitive environments, especially in sports, where athletes are literally racing against the clock to beat a record or finish within a certain time. Over time, this expression has been adopted into everyday language, signifying any struggle against time constraints. To understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. The team was fighting the clock to finish the project before the deadline. 2. With only an hour left, she was fighting the clock to prepare for her presentation. 3. The doctors were fighting the clock to provide treatment to the patient. In each of these sentences, fighting the clock illustrates a scenario where time is of the essence. Like many idioms, fighting the clock can be tweaked slightly while retaining its original meaning. For instance, racing against the clock, or battling the clock, convey similar meanings. These variations are also common and can be used interchangeably depending on the context. When using this idiom in conversation, it's important to assess the context. It's most appropriate in situations that involve time sensitivity or urgency. For example, saying, "I'm fighting the clock to get to the meeting on time," immediately informs the listener that you are in a hurry and time is crucial. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, fighting the clock. Understanding such idioms not only enriches your English vocabulary but also helps you grasp the nuances of the language. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this idiom in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.